I'm glad you've taken the time to access and download my immensely popular book, An Honest Guide to Investing in Forex, and the bonus publication, 21 Essential Habits of the Successful Forex Trader. Now check your email, confirm your registration, and you will immediately receive the links to begin the download process. But wait, before you do, read on for a very special limited time offer. The best way to learn how to trade the Forex market successfully is by looking over the shoulder of a successful trader. Coming to the office and watch Huskins trade may not be practical, so the next best thing is by participating in the immensely popular program called Profits Through Economic Indicators. As you can see from this website, the price for the trial is $25. However, I like people who can make or take decisive action fast. And if you decide you want to try this program for a week, in the next 10 minutes, I will knock off $24 from the trial price. Yes, you will get the trial period for only $1. You may ask yourself, why is someone willing to provide you with this information for nearly free? For those of you who know Huskins and his reputation, there is no need to explain. For those of you who are just being introduced to Huskins, you will find that he is an individual on a mission. Huskins' mission is to provide realistic, honest, usable information to the Forex community. Now, believe me, there are a lot of Forex scammers out there that do not like this ethical, reality-based approach to Forex trading and would like nothing more than for Huskins to charge exorbitant prices for his information and publications. For the longest time, Huskins had become so disillusioned with the perpetuation of the Forex market as a get-rich-quick scheme, and so-called gurus and educators scamming honest, hard-working traders out of thousands and thousands of dollars, he had almost given up, after having a close friend lose thousands of dollars that were originally earmarked to pay the tuition for his doctorate degree on scammy Forex education, junk EA's robo-traders, and strategies. Huskins decided to fight back. Now, if you want to learn more about Huskins' mission to change the Forex market, take advantage of this low-cost, one-time offer to see what he is all about and change your Forex game.